Are you thinking of maximizing your savings in this ever-changing and challenging business landscape? Device as a Service by ASUS can help businesses like yours moderate these costs through a flexible consumption model. This subscription model offers a complete IT hardware and services solutions. It offers cloud-based solutions to allow your employees to work from anywhere and increase productivity with the latest and innovative hardware and software solutions. You can eliminate the frustration and large expenses of managing and owning an IT support. DaaS comes with deployment and configuration of equipment at the start of contract and on-site hardware support throughout the contract period. There is Microsoft 365 with one integrated solution, including Teams, OneDrive Cloud Storage, and Office app with advanced security options. With ESET Cloud Office Security, there is preventive protection for Microsoft 365 against malware, spam, and phishing attacks. You can now choose from ASUS devices like the ASUS ExpertBook P1440 with Microsoft 365 and ESET Cloud Office Security for as low as $56 per month. You can now eliminate the frustration and large expenses of managing and owning an IT support. Let ASUS take care of that for you.